Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and also today we have a gentleman with us by the name of Andre aka Suka. Say hello Suka. Okay, and if you are familiar with this road, we are heading down Madrid this morning. You know, fortunately he came out of the hospital yesterday, and so we are visiting him today, and we have a number of things that we're taking to him, and also Andre is gonna assist us by cutting the yard for him. He did say somebody cut out a little track, but I don't know, we will see. Him door lock? Oh, you frightened me. Come here, say him the day here. Okay, so as I was saying before, he said somebody did some chopping, but not a lot. You hear him, Marcel?
Yeah.
What you say happen? Oh. Okay. So if you make left door, make it handy.
Eh? I wait to make it on. Oh, same.
Madrid, morning. I'm gonna get dressed.
Yeah, man, you come up. Come up good. Let's call the farmer and I'll get you.
Oh.
No?
So what happened to your charger that you had before?
It's not good.
Oh. So how you feel?
Why? You feel bad.
Oh, you feel bad? Put on one shirt now.
I'm hungry.
Put on one shirt.
We can't get the shirt then now.
Where's shirt there? You can't reach that?
You say me follow me
So I
can't.
have so much on the floor.
What?
Me follow me.
You drop?
When last night?
It's we went.
No.
In line. The road is up road. We just took the way. Yeah, come here son.
So who cut the yard?
I'm my sister.
Cut that machine, machine.
Oh. So Madrid, because when I talked to you, you said somebody did come clean.
Eh?
Yes, she did come clean?
Me no hear you.
Did she come and clean, your sister? Oh. She cleaned out this room that you're in? Oh, but a lot of things up on the floor, man.
Yeah man.
Has since you come?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know me manager now. I see me one call I know what you phone now, I don't charge.
Oh, one on a charge. So Madrid, we carry one gentleman with we are going to cut the place for you.
Yes.
So I forgot to tell you which part now. Cut which part we,
Grown I jump.
or the front part here so and run at the drum.
Yeah, I'm too retired.
Oh, to this so.
Okay. So when you say you want to call your sister but you don't have no
Non charge.
because we are calling from morning, you know.
So I'm the charger.
You say it down.
You know, I work in and know I'm not charge.
Mm.
Non charge. Plug it. One last night I'm charge.
So it's last night you come or in the evening?
In the evening.
Okay. So when you say you don't feel good, what happened to you now?
The belly man.
The belly hurt?
Yeah.
So did it hurt you yesterday before you leave the hospital?
I'm hungry, must be hungry.
So you not eat nothing from last night?
Yeah. What me can't catch on there now, go get nothing to eat.
Oh.
Yeah, grown now, me follow me and return back and there, so me catch. That have a light there for me. That's it.
Okay. The place one clean.
Thank you so much.
Huh?
We give thanks this one.
Yeah. Oh man, we are come.
So we carry some groceries for you in Madrid.
Yeah.
And water and so forth.
Thanks. Can't get to go cook.
We can't get to go cook.
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Most of we bring off the cook, you know.
Yeah, we bring him some biscuits and so on.
What kind of biscuit?
The same tea biscuit and cream crackers
You
and
want
so.
a tea biscuit?
You want one? You want? We have ginger one. You want one ginger one?
Well, I'm doing very well after the number. You get it.
Which lady that?
One way he sent me the package. He said she don't have a number.
Package. Oh yes, I sent it.
Oh, you know you should call.
I guess when she's ready, she will. I see the remote here. We get it
Yeah, come on here.
for the DVD.
Hungry time feel bad.
Oh wow.
You feel bad? Don't bother fight me. Don't bother fight me.
No, man.
Oh. Okay, them think they're bad people, do you know?
No, man. Can't worry, good lad.
Where is these bags right there? Door we using. And the water.
So the vacation where you go up and how we work out for you?
Put it in your map. Put it in your bag too. Huh?
Some put it in, man.
How vacation work out for
You
you?
have to down.
Yeah.
Go do 3 tests.
3 tests.
I'm on the video.
Yeah. So you get the result?
If I come 18, then we come back 18. You got a KPH.
Oh, them are sending a KPH?
Go do it back. Spine.
Oh, so you have spine problem now?
Oh, they want to find out why you're not able to walk.
Why? Then find out, but else they never find your spine.
Oh.
So when you come from KPH, you go start walk? Maybe you should just walk from up there, come down.
Not that, me want to go.
That time you're sure, say you're ready. That's you? Yeah. I'm Madrid.
Can't walk, man. Rough the man. Can't do nothing for myself. And no help.
Yeah. You notice we're not putting no mic for you. Because we come with the camera, we don't have no memory card in it. So you see a phone we use. Yeah. Yeah, man. A phone I do it today. So Andrea do it cutting. Yeah.
Alright, you know.
So fine yesterday evening you eat? Last night. You love where you did that, not true? You have company. They take care of you. Yeah. Like your food come get 3 times a day you get food. I mean. Them beard you? You need to go back over there. They say, are you want to come home? They're not telling say you want them home, man. Should I tell them say no, nobody if you come to? When you say if you go back? When you say if you go back? Eh?
Next week Wednesday.
Oh,
To do a follow-up check. When next week Wednesday?
but them all do it. Did it drop? You drop? No, why you have spine problem? I mean, you drop where you drop in the house. Then there's a crutch stick. Now help you.
Batman. Now keep up.
Oh.
Them the thing was up.
They shouldn't send you to the hospital till when they find out what going on, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
I don't know. I got a fat motor and send me up here. I find the hospital about 2 or 3 weeks then keep it there now.
No matter what happened, they must send you home.
So I say then do everybody, no me no mind no everybody.
Yeah.
That's I was thinking that maybe we could get a piece of something and draw them there and make light on fire and burn them.
We're going to sweep out them sitting away up on the floor and burn them. Everything what you have, yeah, so.
Last night I come, I fall down, sit up myself, I jack me sit up myself.
Yeah?
This morning again as me jack me sit up myself.
Oh,
You want company, man?
you want somebody to cook for you, Madrid.
Yeah.
So you don't know anybody in the community that could cook for you and bring it to you in the no one?
I'm betting my tongue upon Sunday indeed.
Yeah, but remember say you don't want for you eat every day.
I'm win.
So your friend them gone left you? All of your friend them left you? Yeah. Yeah, come back on your foot. Them gonna see you.
I'm not for everything good enough.
Yeah?
I'm for everything good.
You're free, you treat them good.
And if I'm dead boy, I'm taking out what's in their life, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know?
You're not paying no mind.
But God is to be praised, you know?
Yeah, man, you have to talk to him, you know? It's like when you're there in your quiet time, you just talk to God. See me?
I'm going to call me sister.
Yeah?
I'm going to call me sister.
You know our number? Alright, so we take your number and call her. Alright, Andre.
Yeah.
Hey, Michelle. What's up?
Stop.
up
I
it too
don't
much.
feel like. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, use some machete, you bend up it too much.
How much you pay for one?
That's why I use it cut. My bread ain't can't burn, you know.
So the ticks bush there, the hops.
Ini? Apa main ayo?
So one beside you, Marcel.
Huh?
One behind you. Yeah.
Can't see up our road. Yeah, so line there.
Oh, so we stop there, so.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Okay.
Same thing. Cover back yourself.
What is happened to him,
So
Marcel?
one girl used to come here go clean up, but train sick can't go away. Then I know in there.
My mother know.
He say, "Ma look for a pill to take it."
Oh, medication.
Yeah.
But you never get to take it before because you never eat anything.
Right.
Okay. Oh wow. Alright guys, so Madrid is back out of the hospital, but the situation is pretty much still the same. You know,
Verse.
it's worse. Why you say?
Can't move.
Can't move. You could have did move before.
Yeah.
You were explaining that you fell twice what last night
Yes, and this morning.
and this morning. And when you fell you had an accident.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
No
But
way.
anyhow,
I want to help me one, man.
but the help that you want to see Madrid, it's you want somebody who can come daily,
Yeah.
cook the meal for you, give it to you, clean up the place. But anyhow, guys, have to say thanks to all our donors. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
As a result of your donations, we were able to come and visit Madrid today, bring him groceries, and also cut the yard for him.
Thank them very much, man.
Yes.
Very, very much.
Yes. Guys, so thank you so much, everyone. May your store basket never be empty.
Right.
All right. And so we'll have to take our leave soon because it seems like it's going to rain.
Feel bad.
Right. You feel bad now? Because you not eat.
Right.
Wait, when your sister says she coming though? Later? Cooking lunch for somebody?
She could have just cooked some lunch, can't give.
She live far?
Call her back down till we get some my lunch.
Alright, we do that when we finish. You hear? Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
Yes, ma'am.
Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
And thanks to all the people in like you.
Yes, indeed. Blessings everybody.